As soon as I got to Miraflores, Lima, I knew I had to try surfing. The waves looked inviting, and I've often heard Lima's the perfect place to learn how to surf. But it's not as easy as it seems. Here's a glimpse of my first attempt. Let's just say it was a little bit humbling, but the experience is well worth the time and effort put in.
Look, I'm on this board, I'm surfing. Oh.
So if you've ever been interested in learning how to surf or just even learning new things, then stick around for this video and I'll show you the whole process that I went through.
Cool, so this is my guy Bruno. He's gonna be my instructor tomorrow when we get out here.
Welcome to Macaja, guys.
All right.
The best place to learn surfing.
Straight.
Yeah.
That's what he said. He said it's the best place. We'll see.
Yeah, for learning. We have smaller waves and longer, you know?
Okay.
Yeah.
That's what's up.
Hey, bro.
What's good?
My friend Piero.
Surfing?
Okay, yeah.
Dale,
Mañana.
te voy a enseñar mañana. Positivo, ahí está haciendo un
All
video.
right. So we'll set up for tomorrow, but we'll go out here and see the whole process and everything. That's what's up. And see how this is gonna work. I got the camera out. Everybody's camera friendly out here, so that's good.
This is my brother JJ.
Okay, what's good, man?
This is the surfer school for
Alright.
us.
Okay, so this is the school.
Yeah.
All right.
Radical Coast.
Gotcha.
Radical Coast right here.
All right.
You have the new ones.
Okay.
Boards to learn.
Okay.
This is the most easy board to be stable in the water
Right.
and float.
Why is that? Because how big it is and everything?
10 feet.
10 feet.
Yeah,
Okay.
10 feet. This is the best boards to start to learn surfing, you know?
Gotcha. All right. So tomorrow when I come out, this is what we'll be on.
Yeah.
And I'll try to catch my first wave.
Yeah.
All right.
For sure you will do it, bro. You will have the
All
best
right.
time in the sea.
We gonna see.
Yeah.
All right. So tomorrow he's betting I'm gonna get my first wave.
Yeah.
We're gonna find out. Is it that hard to get out of the water? He's struggling.
It's hard if you in the beginning.
Okay.
After you can, if you go alone, it's alright.
Right.
But you go with the board, it's more hard, you know.
Right.
But
So
I help you with the board.
what do I need to bring? I don't have a wetsuit.
Now I have wetsuit for you.
Okay.
All the size.
Gotcha.
Like this.
Okay, so they got all the wetsuits and everything here.
Size large. Yeah.
Okay.
This is the wetsuit we have.
Gotcha.
New stuff.
New wetsuits material. Okay, yeah, it looks pretty good condition.
Yeah.
Large.
Tenemos large,
Okay.
XL, all sizes.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Right, so today we're heading out here in Lima and we're gonna walk down from here. We only got about, I would say, a 10-minute walk, and we'll go down and get that surfing in. We're gonna try to go through the more direct way. Normally I'd walk down that street going that direction, but today, since we're trying to expedite this, told dude I'd be there at 10:30. I think it's like 10:20 right now, so we're on our way. We'll get there. If they want the business, they'll be there. If not, then we'll come up with some other plan. But the weather's pretty good, you see. Temperature feels good. I don't know what the water temp is gonna be like, But either way, we'll get out there and attempt a surf lesson. And I don't know, they say Lima's pretty easy to catch waves, so we'll put that to the test. See if you can teach your old dog new tricks and get me standing up on the board. Now, I think the whole lesson, from what we agreed to yesterday, he said $50, which is about 180 solas. So I got 200 solas on me. So we'll go down and do that. I want to get some more video of the surrounding area so you guys can actually see where we're located and what the whole scenery is like, because it is inspiring. Like if you come out here on a nice day like today and you look at the cliffs, you see the water, you see people in the water, you're like, damn. And it's also, the other major thing is I'm walking in the city, and within another 10 minutes I'm gonna be at the beach. You wouldn't expect that. When you look around here, you'd be like, okay, yeah, like going to the beach, how long is that gonna take? 10 minutes walking. I like that about Lima. I haven't been to a city yet where you have the conveniences of a city like this, but then also the beach that close. You know, it's not a sandy beach, it's a rocky beach, but it's still there. If you want the ambience of the water, it's right there. It reminds me of Southern California, but I spent a lot of time in San Diego. I would say even San Diego, you're not going from downtown San Diego directly to a beach. It's not, you have to drive, you go around to actually go to somewhere where you can get in the water. Here, you can get in the water. You can get in the water right from the city. So that's kind of cool and unique. This whole area right here, so like that right there, up there is Kennedy Park. If you go that way, that's a major area, especially a lot of foreigners hang out there in the evenings, at night. But yeah. Yeah, so we'll walk on down and we're almost there. I'll say 5 minutes and we'll be there. At least to the part where we gotta descend down. Yeah, this is nice. That's a country club over there. I think they got, you know, tennis, pool. I don't know what else they got there, but relatively, by the location of it, you know it's exclusive. Just because in this area, it's a very, very uppity area, right? So we're almost here, and I'm looking out at the beach right now, the waves, and it looks a little choppy. Like the waves are a little bit further out, but I don't know, maybe it's, you know, I'm not a pro at analyzing the situation. So I'm thinking it looks like the beginners are going to be over there. So we'll see. Keep heading down. Hopefully my guy is there. Hopefully it's not, he just didn't sell me off to somebody else who's going to be giving me the lesson today. Because I asked him, I was like, you going to be there? He said, yeah. So we'll see. Been down here several times, but it always feels like almost a new event every time you come down. I don't know why that is, but I guess it depends on, the weather's always a little bit different too. It could be sunny and hot, sunny and cool like it is now, or a little bit overcast but still warm like it was kind of yesterday. All right. Where's our guy's tent? I don't even see the tent because it was a green one. I don't even see them no more. Unless they ain't set up yet. I told them 10:30 though, and I don't see the Bruno's afro out here. Let me see. I know they should be able to see me real easily. Oh yeah, the wind is kicking though, so it might be a little hard for a beginner. I don't know. Oh, there you go, right there. Okay, we good. All right, let's head on down. May the surf gods be with us today. Huh? Going down here. Yeah, somebody got that here. All right. What's good? What's good? All right.
It's your day.
Yes,
it's your day, huh?
my day.
Your surfing day.
Oh, yep. Oh, okay. You changed up the area. Where you at?
Yeah.
Okay.
We changed the area.
Okay, cool.
Because now
All right.
You are the pro surfer, man.
what's your
Today
name?
you are pro surfer.
Okay, I'm gonna be a pro surfer today.
Are you sleep well?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right.
Yeah.
Nice.
We keep in contact
You have
with
enough.
Silver, very cool for then.
You have to have enough energy, okay? For today.
Yeah. I'm
The
good.
waves are good today for learning.
Yeah, I see it's
okay?
a little choppy, windy.
Yeah, it's a little windy.
Okay.
But you have longer and smaller wave, easy to learn, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Easy for learners.
All right. Okay, so I'm suited up, got the suit on, got the rig ready, and we see what it's gonna do.
Yeah.
All right.
People, we are surfing people. Aloha, my bro. Woo.
So what we doing now?
Open your face.
Okay. You do some stretching. All right. Oh, let me...
3 parts.
Okay.
First, turn the wave, no? And I told you, paddle, no? You paddle. 1. Las manos aquí, hands here. Up my shit. 1. ¿Listo? 2.
Sí.
Look it.
Sí.
2. And then 3. Okay? You do it. The wave is coming. Paddle. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Párale. When the teacher push you, nice.
Water. Esto es vida, lo demás es mentira. This is life. Aloha. Like a coast.
So they need to be close.
You know how to swimming, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No,
This float?
Yeah. It should stay on my neck. It won't go anywhere.
But this float or not?
Don't float. But it'll stay on here.
Yeah, you sure? 100%?
Yeah, I mean,
Okay,
yeah.
good.
If not, fuck it.
Follow off.
Okay.
You never to finish the wave.
Oh, okay. 20 meters before jump off. Okay,
jump off,
gotcha. Yeah, because
Finish, and the finish many rocks.
yeah, be fuck up the board and
Yeah.
everything. Yeah. So Oscar's gonna be my in-water instructor today. Eso? Oh, okay. Yep. It's frío, boy? No. A little bit cold?
For me,
For me, it might be extra cold. All right, so here we go. We going. Oh, these rocks. Nope. Further out. Where we going? I follow you. Woo. Okay. shit, I got it already. That's how it's supposed to look. Okay. Damn, he went all the way in. Bueno, see? Okay. I felt like I was flat for maybe 2 seconds. I'm on this board, I'm surfing. Oh. Okay, got this a little bit. Coming on. Alright. Riding this thing in. Oh, go ahead. Okay, that was a good one. There's our guy. Oh. Okay. Okay.
Good man, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, hi, brother.
Yeah.
Nice thing.
Woo. Ooh, okay.
Relax, relax.
Yeah. Good.
You making good, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah, nice.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, you learn fast.
Yeah. Whew, so hair's messed up. Battery's almost done. But we filmed the whole thing non-stop. You saw what was up. We had the excellent team here. They set me up properly. And first wave, got it. Got a couple of waves out there. So that was a first for me. Old dog can still learn new tricks.
We know you stand up, huh?
Yeah,
Have a good
yeah,
style,
yeah,
huh?
yeah.
Bumpy, 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 woo!